Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, an Analytics 4 property, and Wordpress admin access. Once confirmed, choose your integration path, plugin for simplicity or manual tag for control. If you pick plugin, install a trusted GA4 plugin and authenticate with Google. If manual, copy the GA measurement ID. Start now by opening WordPress plugins, searching for a GA4 connector, and activating it. This puts the tracking process in motion and avoids later rework of baseline settings. Now you'll complete the core configuration. In the plugin, authenticate through Google and choose the exact GA4 property and stream. Make sure enhanced measurement is toggled on to capture scrolls, outbound clicks, and file downloads automatically. If your site requires consent, enable consent mode or configure a cookie banner to avoid dropped data. Once configured, verify the measurement ID appears in your page source or use Tag Assistant. This ensures events will reach analytics without delay and keeps data. Finish by validating data flow. Open GA4 real-time and debug view while you interact with the site to confirm events arrive. If nothing shows, check for caching or tag duplication, clear WordPress cache, disable extra analytics plugins, and confirm the measurement ID matches exactly. Re-authenticate the plugin if permissions changed. A key tip: if events appear twice, search for duplicate tags in header, plugins, or theme files. Remove the extra instance to restore accurate reporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.